On this lecture, I will show you how to make pages and blog posts for your website. So, what you want to do is go back to your Blogger's account. On the left side menu, you need to choose Pages and click on New Page. Now here you type in the name of your new page, and you can add more information of the page, such as contact us page or a page that would describe your service or products more. Now on the right side options, I would recommend to put on don't allow for readers' comments, as this is a static page, not a blog post. Click on publish, then click on the view button, and here you can see your new page. Now what you want to do is to copy the link, go back to your Blogger's account, click on layout, and on main menu click the edit button, and once again edit, and now we can paste in the URL for the page. Now click on save once again, save arrangements, refresh the page, and now you will see that when a person clicks on the menu link, they're actually taken to the page where they're supposed to go to. Now what you need to do is to create pages for all of the menu links that you have set up. Next thing what we need to do is to create blog posts. Now on the left menu, click on Posts, New Post, and once again you need to type in the title of your blog post, fill out everything you want to put inside the blog post, now afterwards you can add labels so it's easier to filter your blog posts. You can type in schedule, you can post them automatically or set a date backwards or forwards. You can change the URL link of the blog post that you just created. Automatically it takes the title of the blog post. You can also put on some location tags, and you can also choose if readers are allowed or not allowed to type in comments of your blog posts. So once you're done creating your blog post, click on publish, open up your website, refresh the page, and here you can see that your blog post has been added to your website. If we click on it, it opens it up. It also has very convenient buttons for sharing, and also these newer and previous blog posts. If you have more posts, the reader can browse through them. And that's how you create new pages and new blog posts for your new website.